Hi friends, Trade Tips. It's an advisory services which provides advice on equities, commodities, stocks and currencies. Today we discuss about the base metals of MCX markets. First of all, we have to discuss about USD INR. Nowadays USD INR is been taking a huge active part by moving ups and downs, by cutting the profits of M6. So now we see what USD INR is going to react in next couple of days and weeks. As per our projection, USD INR should touch 69.85, 69.90 or maybe 70.10, and after touching that level it should drift back downwards towards the 68.80 and 85 levels, and subsequently we would see that the price is likely to move up to 70.65 and maybe 71 levels. The charts shows like this. Based on the long-term trend line, price is likely to touch the trend line level. Next, MCX major participant is zinc. Zinc is holding above 220-230 levels since this April contract beginning. Previous contract closed at 206.7 and this contract opened around 226. There was a 20 rupees cap, and from 226 price has started drifting towards 220, 219.50, and again it started moving up, and Friday's high is around 227.60. As per the charts, now the price is likely to touch 229 and again drift back towards 225.50 or 226.20. Again overall the price direction is showing around 230, 232. Major resistance line is showing around 229 and 230, and from 229 to 30 price will start falling towards 222. This is our projection towards this zinc. Now let us talk about lead. Lead is hovering around 135, 136 levels for the last contract and this contract too. We are noticing a major support at 137.45. If at all price breaks that level, price may drop towards 136 and 135.50. The maximum low side that we look is for 135, and upside we look and have a projection towards 140 and 141. Aluminium also previous contract closed little lower and this contract is at 140, 145 levels. As far as we see the aluminium chart is holding around 147 levels and it is moving towards the trend line. Couple of occasions price has gone above 150, 148 levels but couldn't sustain above, and subsequently there is a support line holding at 147 now. So we presume that 148 and 147 are the major breakout levels. But as far as the charts are concerned, the lows are increasing, so we would expect that price is likely to move around 150 and maybe 152 levels in the coming week. Nickel is a commodity where it moves drastically, but for the last 10 days nickel is hovering around 920 and 900 levels in between. So based on this movement, it is also holding on the increasing trend line. So based on that, we would see that 900 or 904 are supposed to be good levels, and it would take upside towards 925 and 940. Break below 900, we may see that price is likely to drift towards 880 and 860. This is what the view that we make on nickel, copper in M6. This copper is trading around on a triangle pattern, and the triangle pattern breakout is already made. So based on the movement, we would see that 430, 432 are the support levels. If that is broken, we may see 420 and 424. If that is holding, then subsequently again 455 and 460 are the possible levels in the copper. But international copper, it shows that some bearish direction is being noticed on the international charts. But based on the USD INR movement, Indian domestic M6 copper may not fall below 432 or 435. This view is valid unless until price hold above 435. Once the 435, 432 levels broken, we may see a very big fall in copper based on the international movement. USD INR may intervene in this move because USD INR is likely to touch 70. This is how we are looking on the copper, M6 copper front. Thank you. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel, Trade Tips for You @gmail.com, and you can as well download our Play Store Google app on Trade Tips. Thank you very much.